This primary bedroom was designed to feel like a secret hideaway oasis for the couple inside their home. So we created this beautiful custom upholstered headboard and bed frame. Then we integrated the same paneling all the way across the ceiling and down the fireplace sides and put a gorgeous textural plaster look white tile around the fireplace. A beautiful detail that we incorporated into this primary bedroom as well are the side lights with the switching and controls integrated into the whole home wiring and automation system and make the room feel calm and unified. Welcome to your fantasy closet. Come on in. How many fashionistas does it take to fill a closet like this? One. Very special one. We designed this closet to allow for all the beautiful accessory storage, and we put clear glass on the top of this island in order to allow jewelry, sunglasses, watches to be displayed and easily accessed and also enjoyed. We put in lots of hanging storage for beautiful clothing, drawers for workout gear, and then beautiful LED lit bag storage up top to be displayed and enjoyed daily. We have incorporated into this fantasy closet a handy little ironing board with a plug at my feet. We really wanted to create a spectacular closet for our fashionista client. So we relocated the laundry room access to a different axis of the hallway because there's a lot of day-to-day functioning that happens inside a laundry room. Made sure that the storage was very effective and then added drying space because this client tends to hand wash or delicate wash. Added a drying rod to allow things to hang to dry. And for delicate flat drying items, we added these drying shelves. This luxury steam shower features a beautiful integrated Kohler plumbing system that is controlled through a control panel where you can preset the temperature, the water pressure from each of the nozzles and the overhead rain head. Absolutely luxurious and spectacular and such a great way to start your morning. I suggest you even get yourself a coffee in the kitchen before you get into the steam shower and start your day. Why not?